Alright folks, it is that time again, so we're just going to be working on the taillight. At first I just added a glass preset, colored it red, but it was adding way too much saturation to everything. By the way, this is a very short video, not even 4 minutes long, because we're just doing a taillight. The biggest challenge I had with this one was just trying to get the color of the emission correct. So right now I'm just adding a quick select set to be able to grab all of those individual elements whenever I want. So here I am just trying to get the colors right, not working, try a different color, not working, you know the deal. This is what being an amateur looks like. You don't even know what to put in the box here. One of the things that was kind of messing up the whole deal was that the glass preset on the front headlights and the rear taillights were the same, so I just created a new AI standard surface, disconnected it from the shading group, bada bing bada boom, and now I have a material separate for the front headlights and another so I have an AI standard surface just for the front and an AI standard surface just for the back, because eventually what you're going to see me do is change the transmission value. So just in case you don't know, transmission is the property, this is my understanding is that it's the property of what happens as the ray is casting through a surface, and so that's why you can adjust the depth value of that. So the deeper the ray goes in is the more it takes on the color attributes, kind of like a swimming pool. You know, the shallow end is clear but the deep end is kind of blue. So this is my crazy self trying to adjust all these properties. I didn't even know what to name that little oval design thingy, so I just call it design 1. I was just kind of staring at the cursor. It's like, what in the world do I even name this thing? So click, trying to figure stuff out here, and at this point I'm kind of diving back into the reference, see if there's any material attributes I can find for that secondary piece, that little piece inside of that, I don't know, what is that, an oval, an arrow? Somebody called Audi designers. I don't know what these guys are doing over there when they design these cars. So yeah, just making some more adjustments, wondering if the emission is too red. Should I change it to a little orangey color? Because in some of the photos it's kind of orangey, in some of the photos it's kind of a washed out red. Getting that gradiated washed out red has been kind of a problem, but you know what, I settled with this color and the final result is here. Looks pretty decent. I can kind of slow this down, so there are some issues, but I think it's good to go.